Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 8 of this modern office building. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to add all these columns and then we started changing this to our storefront. Now we're gonna continue working on this. What I want to do is to go to each and every levels and change this to our storefront now. So let's go to level 2, and we chose that this will be all going to change as storefront. Basically storefront so that it's easier for us to just have all those mullions already without changing all of them individually. So here we have all this, all good. We just need to keep on going and change everything that we changed already. So let's just add or select the ones that we want to change and then go storefront. Go right here. We're in level 4 now. And then level 5 is next. And then here mostly are storefront. Okay, and then let's see it on 3D to see how it looks. And that looks really good, very consistent. At least we don't need to do all of this mullions already. It's already preset, and we're not finished yet with this because we're going to have this wavy look in the front or the facade of the building that will make this very nice. So only on this portion right here we're gonna do. So after that we need to go and insert the entrance door, and then we need to load the door. So go back and then click door, and then we need to look for curtain door, single glass. Click on open. So it's already loaded. We need to go to level 1 to see where is the best position for that, and it's around this curtain wall right here. So the entrance will be probably these 2 doors right here. If we go to 3D, it's better to see it in 3D. You need to uncheck this and then select this curtain wall, unpin it again, and then go to drop down and then go single curtain wall glass. It will appear if you put it in fine. So as you can see, most of the time those things will appear much better once you're in fine detail. And then we're going to select this door again, this other door beside it, and then unpin it and then change this to curtain door. Let's remove the bottom. So unpin it and then delete. Click on tab in order to circulate and we'll be able to get this one and then delete it, unpin it and delete it. You need to go to level 1 in order for you to switch the sides like this. So you'll be able to move or switch the orientation of the door so that it's welcoming like that. And that looks good right there. So that's for the entrance. We need to go to level 5 in order to add it onto this side, because we have it from the elevator side. Now we need to go, and this will be like their balcony side right here. We're going to have a balcony side on this side as well, so there will be 2. And then here we could just select this and then go to 3D so that we know where this one should be selected. Select, click tab, unpin it, and then you'll be able to change the door. Click on tab. Once it's highlighted only, unpin it and then select the door. And then you need to remove this and then this one as well, and then go back to that level so that you'll be able to switch the side. And then let's do it on this side as well. I'm planning on just adding right here, and then beside it this one. So let's go to 3D, and this one is the one that is highlighted. So I'm gonna do this, unpin, go to drop down and then select that, and then go here, unpin, drop down, select this. Let's remove this one first because we're already here, and then go to level 5 again to switch the orientation. And then of course we need to have railing. We're gonna use this railing. Let's go the rectangular railing, and then we're going to add railing around this, and then I want to see how this one looks. To be honest, it looks cheap having that railing there. I rather add a wall railing instead of this railing. So let's go to level 5, and then we're going to add an exterior wall instead. I believe this one is exterior wall, and we're going to add walls on this part. And then we could maximize the space, AL right there, and then AL on this side. So I know this is weird, why are you adding a wall there? Just because of the look. So at least this one we could set it up like that, and then even that we could design it much better. So just adding a wall creates a railing there, but as you can see, it's a big difference in terms of the design. It will blend much better with the model. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side now. So level 5, if we select that at CS, it will remember all the attributes that we set up for that. So the height offset is already created there. Now we just need to move it to the proper edge. So as you can see, like that. AL, select it there, and then we can move it a little bit first, AL, to align it much better. So sometimes just add it even though it's not there exactly, and then you can just use align to have it on that properly there. So here we have addition to that, and we have it all around on that area. And then we have this one slanted here. That looks really good. And then we need to go to north elevation and check the way everything lines up. Go to east elevation. Here we need to line it up properly. So I'm gonna use this example and then line it up so that everything is lined up properly. And then let's go to south. We could select this one as our proper alignment. And then we just need to go to level 2. I don't want that gap there, so we can just move it. Let's see how it looks on the south elevation, and then everything is lining up. And then go to west, and then here there's a big gap there that we need to align properly. And then as you can see, everything is lining up, and this one looks good now. And then even we have it here, everything is lining up at the edge where the curtain wall is. And then we could just adjust how we connect it at the end. We can just push it a little bit more if we want to. So that everything looks nice there. Then we have our entrance, and then I'm planning a wave look that I did on a different video already. That will be a perfect look on this one, so that's why we're trying to add it. In terms of how slanted this is, I think that's good enough, so I'm happy with this. And then let's pull all of this up. So similar to what we did on the exterior wall, we need to do it on the interior wall because this will be visible. So we just need to click on attach to the top base, and then here we need to select all of this, that it will be visible as well. So just adding all of this. I think we'll be able to get away with some of this walls right here, but as much as possible, just select all of them, and then we're gonna go on the other side as well. And then let's select this, click that, and then go all the way there. So at least everything looks good there. and then we just need to click here, click on tab in order to select as much as possible all the connecting walls. Hold on Control to select those, click, and then select the roof, and it will all go at the top. And then just double check the ones that didn't, and you'll be able to gauge if those are visible or not. I believe this one is connected, but I want to double check, and that looks good right there. And then I want to add like a column all the way here as well. So let's go to level 5, and then here just click column. We could just use the structural, or we could just use this round, maybe the 305 diameter, and then here select that, and then we could just go to 3D, and then we could pull it up, attach it at the top base there, and then similar to that, if something is showing like this, you can detach it or attach it to the base as well, so that it's not showing. Like for example, this one is showing that we doesn't need to show, and then we just need to add it on those location right here. Copy. I'm going to put it maybe 25. This is for design purpose. Maybe I'll just remove the last and then select all of this, and then just nudge it in place so that everything is in those distance. Go to 3D, and then as you can see, it was automatic, and then it gets attached to those top. And then we just need to copy this and then attach it right here as well. Let's do the same distance in. And then just add and then lastly, let's just add one more, and then actually that one more is not needed anymore, and then just nudge it in place, just adding it completely. I think that's good enough with the spacing. So now we have something like this. Support there. If it's too much, we could just go in between I think we could just do it like this, and then we still have that nice and then just leave it like this, and then we just need to double check each and every one of them. Let's select all of them and then attach it at the top. There we go. And then let's make the thickness to be 400 here. Because I really want it to be attached. So I'm going to maybe level offset -50. There we go. Oh, it's actually following along. So let's just undo that. Okay, so it's getting along there, and I like the way that looks now. So thank you for watching, and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.